You are headed into 2021 and you must be wondering that should I or should I not get a Salesforce certification now? I've been working into this industry for so long, or I've been studying this technology for so long. Should I get certified? So in this video, I'm going to tell you the answers that why you should get a Salesforce certification in 2021. Let's begin. Number one and the most important reason why you should get Salesforce certification in 2021 is it helps you stand out. It helps you stand out from the crowd out there. There are a lot of people who are working with you who are also experienced into Salesforce or even more experienced into Salesforce than you. But what exactly is helping you stand out from the crowd out there? A certification. Yeah, actually. The second reason why you should consider giving a Salesforce certification or getting a Salesforce certification is it gives you that sense of accomplishment or sense of achievement which nothing else can give you. Like, do you really think that pushing that code into the production gives you that sense of achievement or sense of accomplishment? That is something that you do every day, and there are a lot of mistakes that you make while doing that. Sometimes, or maybe never. Whatever. But getting a Salesforce certification actually gives you that sense of achievement which drives you further, which motivates you to do more in your life. It also gives you the confidence to talk about your work with your friends, with your family, or with your colleagues, or with the experts into the Salesforce domain. Number three, it keeps you young. Yes, actually, like let's call it up. When was the last time you studied for something? Never. Probably not never, but probably in your college, right? Never after that. Why? Because in our work, let's face it, what all do? We search, we take a particular problem, we think about a solution. If we do not get it, we just search it on Google. We get some solutions on Stack Exchange or onto some other blogs or some community or something like that. We put it, we mix it, and we match it, and then we put it all together and just ship it. Are we actually learning anything out of it? Probably no, right? Maybe something, but we're not studying hard for it, right? We do not even remember it after a week or so. But when you are actually studying for something, when you are actually working hard for something, it keeps you going for something. It keeps you active, or it keeps you motivated to achieve something in your life, and that actually keeps you young. So if you really want to be young, even if you want to have n number of years of experience, a Salesforce certification might help. Number four, this is the right time to get a Salesforce certification. Why? Because we all are sitting at our home and doing nothing, almost nothing. Or at least some of us are still going to work. Irrespective of what the case is with you, there's a lot of time that is left out there for everyone. At least we are saving the time that we used to waste commuting to work and back from work to the home. So this is the perfect opportunity to use that time and get a Salesforce certification. You can use that time to learn and study every day and make a plan and get a Salesforce certification. What's better than that? Use this time. A Salesforce certification not only helps you to stand out from the crowd, but it also helps you get more and better opportunities. How? Irrespective of the number of years of experience that you've got into Salesforce, there are some companies out there, or there are some positions out there which has got like a mandate that a person or the individual who is applying for this particular job should have at least 2, 4, 5, or I don't know how many certifications, or at least have the certification related to that particular position. Like if you're applying for a marketing cloud position, then you should have marketing cloud consultant certification. If you are applying for a developer job, then you should have PD1 or PD2 certification. So there are many positions out there where it is compulsory for you to have a Salesforce certification. And if you really want to seize those opportunities, you gotta have a Salesforce certification. Especially in today's time, because everything around us has been changed. Why? All the recruitment that has been happening, or all the people that are hiring for Salesforce developers or Salesforce marketing cloud experts or Salesforce commerce cloud experts or whatever Salesforce position is available out there, are hiring remote people or people who are going to work remotely. And of course, the recruitment is also happening online. So in order to build trust with the recruiters, you do need Salesforce certifications. Because let me just paint you a picture. You're an experienced person. You've got 5 to 6 years of experience into Salesforce, but you do not have any certification. And even after that, you go to a particular place and like talk to the recruiter face to face or in person, and they ask you certain questions about Salesforce, and then you give the answer. Why? Because they are actually giving you time to talk to them personally and justify whether you've got that knowledge or not. There are 10 times more people than the positions available out there. And the recruiters really do not have the time to talk to each one of them one on one in order to understand their knowledge or in order to identify whether they've got knowledge into it or not. Hence, they are left with no other choice than to rely on your certifications or other parameters which showcase that you've got that particular skill set. If this really clicked you, then a Salesforce certification might help you. When you study for a Salesforce certification, you learn to do your job easily. Why? Because whenever you studying for it, you get to know about different ways a job can be done. So if you were relying on to the old school way of doing a particular thing, and that has been changed now with upcoming releases, you get to know about it, and that will help you do your job easily. Not only a Salesforce certification, but the maintenance exams that you give after clearing a Salesforce certification or after getting a Salesforce certification also helps you be in sync with the upcoming releases of Salesforce. Why to give you Salesforce certification in 2021? We've got another point, and that is number 8. Giving a Salesforce certification has never ever been this easier as it is in this COVID situation. Why? Because there is no on-site proctoring that is happening that used to happen earlier, which was very tough, I would say, and which used to make a lot of people nervous while giving the exams. So it's not anymore there, and as well as online, it has become a lot easier than earlier. You do not have to like create that setup or anything with that camera and all the other stuff that you had to do at 45-degree angle from here. So hence, it has become very easier than earlier now. So go for it. Last but definitely not the least is you get paid higher. You get paid higher with your Salesforce certifications. Not everywhere, not every time, but a lot of time and a lot of places as well. Your performance and your like salary or the key KPIs that a lot of companies measure considers your Salesforce certification that you have done, which validates the knowledge that you've gained along with the job that you were doing at that moment. So it helps you get paid more. Who doesn't like more money, right? Everyone. Then go for a Salesforce certification and invest into yourself to get paid more. If it really motivates you to get a Salesforce certification, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down there, share it along with the people who also need to hear this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button with that bell icon so that you can be the first one to get notified whenever we upload the next video. With that, I'll sign off.